10 interesting facts about bowling. 1. Did you know that bowling is one of the oldest sports in the world? Evidence suggests that a form of bowling existed in ancient Egypt as far back as 3200 BC. Talk about a game with history. 2. The pins weren't always the same. The 10-pin setup we know and love today wasn't standardized until the late 19th century. Before that, variations like 9-pin bowling were super popular, especially in Europe. 3. There's a reason bowling balls have holes. Those holes aren't just there for grip. They're strategically placed to help you put spin on the ball. Mastering spin is key to becoming a bowling pro. 4. Ever wonder about the term turkey in bowling? A turkey is when you get 3 strikes in a row. The origin of the term is a bit hazy, but some say it dates back to when bowlers would win a live turkey as a prize for getting 3 consecutive strikes during the holidays. 5. Bowling isn't just a casual pastime. It's a competitive sport at the highest levels. Bowling is featured in events like the World Games, and there's a push to get it back into the Olympics. It was actually a demonstration sport in the 1988 Seoul Olympics. 6. The perfect bowling score is 300. Achieving this means you've bowled 12 strikes in a single game. It's a rare and impressive feat that every bowler dreams of accomplishing. 7. Bowling pins are made of maple wood, coated with a plastic material. They are carefully crafted to withstand the impact of a bowling ball, which can be quite intense. 8. Lane conditions matter a lot. Bowling lanes are oiled in specific patterns to influence how the ball travels. Adjusting your strategy based on lane conditions is crucial for consistent scoring. 9. Bowling balls come in different weights. The maximum weight allowed in 10-pin bowling is 16 pounds, but you can choose a lighter ball that suits your strength and style. Finding the right weight is essential for control and accuracy. 10. Bowling has its own lingo. From terms like gutter ball to split and spare, the bowling world is filled with unique terminology. Learning the lingo adds to the fun and helps you communicate with other bowlers.